Hello and welcome back. In this example, we are going to use indexes management REST API endpoint to update our existing index. And as an example, we are going to map our newly created synonym maps, street mappings to our indexes street address and full address fields. So here I've created another postman request. This is a put request because we are going to update our index, and the endpoint looks like the indexes slash the index name, and then of course the API version we need to provide. In my header I'm using my admin API because this is management API. We are making changes to our index or Azure resources, so I'm using my management or admin key. Now we need to send the put body in JSON format. Now for our index, to pick the JSON body, I'll go back to my properties search service, go to my index. So if you remember, when we created our index, we also got added JSON option from the console. So let's go to my index, to my edit JSON option here. Now I can copy the whole JSON body from here, make changes to this data for each field, whatever I need, and then send it as the put request body here, right? So right now I know that I have created a new synonym map, street mappings. I'm going to copy it, go to my update index call, and I need to map this to my geolocal field because we had downtown mapping in it. Of course, you can have different synonym mappings for different fields. Right now I just created one, so I'm gonna just map it here. So under synonym maps, you can just map it as a string, the name of your synonym map. And also I need to map it under street field. So I'm going to map it here because I want to test the other synonyms like street, avenue, and crescent. And let's also map it to our full address. This is at the bottom. Let's map it here. Now there are other options. If you want to change your scoring profile, you can create your own scoring profile and map it here. We are going to create a suggested here in upcoming lecture. Similarly, you can have your own analyzers, tokenizers, etc. and map it here. For now, we are just going to map our newly created synonym mapping, street mappings, and then update it. So 204 means that our mapping has been updated successfully. You can verify it. You can go back to your edit JSON once again and verify that the mapping has been updated. So you can see that synonym map has been added to geolocal area, your standard street, and also the full address. Now let's go back to our simple search, and this time if I do my beach avenue search with the avenue as a whole word, not the acronym, we should get some result back. So you can see that this time avenue was matched with the whole avenue word. And if I type street here, I should get SD matches as well. So you can see SD was matched to my whole street, so acronyms are getting matched. I can try with crescent as well. So we are getting crescent as match crescent match to the acronym as well, right? For downtown, I can search for DWTN, and this should match my downtown as well. We're getting all the results. So our synonyms are matched. So our synonyms are working. So in the same way, you can have thousands of entries here, and this will help you in improving your search results. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.